This is going to be a short movie because I'm busy. Let's create a lead generation campaign using ChatGPT and Apollo IO in 10 easy steps. Step 1. What do you want to sell today? Step 2. What do you do better or different than your competition? Why would they buy from you? Write a maximum of 3. If you don't know the answer, go and find out. This movie isn't for you. Step 3. Who cares? Step 4. Talk to ChatGPT. Ask it to write your messages. Step 5. Create a list of target accounts and executives for your campaign. Step 6. Design your campaign. The sequence of messages you are going to send. Use ChatGPT generated email messages and LinkedIn messages. Step 7. Add the marketing list created before to your sequence. Step 8. Activate the campaign. Step 9. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notified when I upload new content.
Step 10. Relax. You did one day's work in 30 minutes. Somebody lost his job because of this. Somebody, but not you. Bye.